Hello guys, today we'll be playing Troll Test Tower. Let's go. And our goal for today is to complete it. Sorry if you guys notice I used shortcut. Wait, let's go check how did that guy fly away? Is there a troller? Okay, no trollers. Sorry. Oh, wait. I'm gonna say this later if it becomes worse. But I'm safe. Okay, wait. Let's see how far this will reach. Wow, okay. We're almost there. Only 4 sections left. Oops. Oh, why did I have to jump on that? This was hard, but it's easy. Hard to jump, easy to walk. Whoop. Hard to jump, easy to walk. Wait. We're already on purple. Last two are green, red. What's the award when you get there? I know there's a badge, but what if like there's a secret slap? Wait. Oh, I reached. That was hard. This isn't a speed. Wait. What? What is this? How is this? Oh, wow! I got a shortcut. Remember, guys, this isn't a speed run, so it's okay if I use shortcuts. Okay. Oh no, this is a hard jump. What? Oh no! I have to be fast with this one. No! Yay! But no! Oh, okay, let's. Oh no! No, that was so hard, but at least I completed it. Okay, this video was 2 minutes. Let's go. Okay, subscribe, like. Oh my god.